Hi there, welcome to the practice questions on being able to understand index laws. Before you attempt these questions, I recommend that you view my tutorial on understanding index laws first of all, so you're familiar with them. But what I'd now like you to do, assuming you've viewed the tutorial, is to pause the video, have a go at these 6 questions, and then when you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and we'll go through them together. So pause the video now, have a go at questions 1 to 6. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these together. What I'm going to do here is I'm not going to explain each individual law. I will be saying how it works as I go through each individual question. So question 1, we've got 4 to the negative 3. Any number raised to the negative power puts it as a fraction with 1 as the numerator. So this will become 1 over 4 to the power of 3. The negative disappears on the bottom there. 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. So my answer becomes 1 over 64. Question 2 then. We've got 64 raised to the power of a half. Raising 64 to the power of a half, or any number raised to the power of a half, is the same as the square root of that number. The square root of 64 gives us our answer of 8. Question 3. Okay, we've got 18 raised to the 0. Now any number raised to the 0 is always going to give us the same answer of 1. Question 4. We've now got 2 index laws in one here. We've got a negative power and we've got a fractional power. So if we start off and deal with the negative, that's going to put it as 1 over 25, and the negative half becomes positive half. 1 over 25 to the power of a half. The power of a half is the same as the square root of that number. So this then becomes 1 over the square root of 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. So our answer becomes 1/5. Same thing with question 5 here. We've got 64 to the negative a third. So first of all, we write 1 over 64 to the third. We then can find the cube root of 64, because this becomes 1 over the cube root of 64, and the cube root of 64 is 4. So our answer is 1 over 4. Finally, this one here. We've got the 9 raised to the 3 to the 2. Now we need to do this in stages basically, because this is the same as 9 to the half, but then that all has to be raised to the power of 3. That's what this 3 means here. So we can deal with the half here, it gives us the square root of 9, but then that needs to be raised to the power of 3. Well, the square root of 9 is 3, and 3 to the power of 3 is going to give us 27. 3 times 3 times 3. Our final answer.